Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sierra Love and I'm here with another video, you guys. So today we're going to be installing this unit from Keswigs. I'm super excited. I know I'm talking really fast only because I'm happy for the quality of this hair, you guys. This wig is actually long. I love the thickness. I feel like it's so perfect for a straight unit. And not just that, look at how I move her. She's not tangling up at all. In the back, she doesn't get ruffled up or anything like that. And then not just that, you guys, these ends are so freaking beautiful. You cannot tell me that this look at this hair. Not a lot of companies send you wigs like this. And if you know, you know. Okay, I would definitely spend my money on this unit. I just want to go ahead and say that. And if you guys know me, then you guys know when I'm being completely honest. I'm a completely honest person, regardless if this video is sponsored or not. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it 100 because money is real. Like, money is money. I don't want you guys wasting your money. I compare it to the other laces that I have here, and I know a lot of them say that their laces are detectable. This lace is very much undetectable. I can go ahead and vouch for that. The hairline is amazing. There's so much more space when it comes to parting the unit. Like, this goes all the way back. If I do decide to say, hey, I want to do a side part, you can part her all the way back. Like, all the way back. And it still looks so natural. You guys see that? I like that about this unit. And not just that, you guys, the actual lace goes all the way here to here, and not a lot of companies offer that. They stop the lace right there by the ear and then they do like a little curve. They're tricking you because in real life you don't think you're buying a lace like that, and it's irritating because you can't do a side part with something like that. So they say it's 13 by 6, but actually is not. You're looking at probably like 13 by 2 on the edges, not even you know what I mean? Because that's just what they do, and I don't like that. You can actually divide this hair into so many different things. You can do probably like 7 different styles. If you want to braid this unit up, you can braid it up because there's enough lace going back, you know what I mean, further back. If you guys want to, you can go ahead and use my discount code Sierra. I'll have it somewhere on the screen just to be sure to get some money off, because this is a nice unit, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that the unit actually is pretty long, and I am tall, you guys. I'm 5. Sometimes I'll be saying I'm 5'9", I'm 5'8". I don't know, but I am tall, and this unit is actually pretty long. I just zoomed the camera out so I can go ahead and show you guys. See her? She goes all the way down, like really down. Like I said, I'm 5'8". So if this hair goes all the way down like that and the ends look good like that, you just know you got you a good wig. Like I said, there's certain things you look for in a wig. One of them are the ends. Like I got like a whole little story. My friend, she ordered some hair from somewhere, and I seen the hair and I was like, that is not what you're sponsoring. Send this back. And she paid over $400 for that unit, and I told her, you need to send it back. And I even emailed them like, hey, this is not cool. I worked with their company before and I didn't appreciate it at all. Man, girl. So anyway, I can go into that story. I might do a little story time, but you can tell that the wig is good when you look at the ends of the hair. When you first purchase the wig, open up them ends. They can hide it well, but look at them ends, guys. If it has so many different split ends, that wig's not going to be good. That hair's going to tangle up in the back. I feel like this is raw hair. Like when you say raw, really raw. And I got to the point where I can tell if the hair is good or not just by feeling it. And I'm telling you guys that this hair is good by feeling it. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the boxing because I feel like that's the number one thing that caught my eye. I love to feel special when purchasing a unit. I don't want a dingy, broken down box. It's not going to happen. I don't like that. Wigs are so important. Like, come on now. So this is the boxing of Keswigs. I love how sturdy it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that it kind of reminds me of Louis Vuitton sturdiness. Not to mention plus the color. I love Keswigs. It's actually on there embroidered, and then there's like a color going on. I don't know if you guys can see that. Opening it up, I was so freaking shocked, you guys. They sent me, I don't even know what this is, but look at this. This is what they sent me, and you guys can get different gifts when they send you this stuff, girl. Look at this. This tool is worth, and it's crazy because I just went to go try it. Buy me another flat iron, y'all. This is a flat iron and a crimper tool. So if you push this part up, you have the flat iron right here, which is a smooth part. And if you lock it, you have the crimper tool, which is right here. That's so freaking nice. That is so freaking nice. And if you press that button down, you can drop this back down. So this might be a portable one. This might be a portable flat iron, portable crimper. Thank you, Keswigs, for sending me this. Of course, you guys, they have you covered. They have an edge brush right here. I feel like that's the number one thing. A lot of people don't send edge brushes. It's becoming like they have been treating us bad lately. You know what I mean? All right, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this bomb installation. I love this wig, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I want to thank you guys so very much for sticking around throughout the entire video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, do not forget to go ahead and ask me down below. You guys, this hair is good. I can honestly say that from like, if you guys know me, then you guys know, like, there's a level of excitement that I get when I try wig that's actually really good, regardless of the video is sponsored or not. I keep my honest opinion, and I can honestly say that this hair is good hair. But I would actually invest in this unit because I know it's going to take me long. It's going to take me a super far length, and I didn't even put heat to this hair. I didn't flat iron it. I have not flat ironed this hair yet. It is already looking as straight as this, and that's the only reason why I know that this hair is good, because I didn't put so much heat to it, and she's already doing what needs to be done. Anyway, I love this unit, you guys. I love how thick this hair is. I feel like a goddess, honestly, and it's amazing. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.